Good morning mga ka-gravel. We're at the gravel capital of the Philippines, Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija, at attack unrestricted tayo. And may special guest tayo ngayon, fresh from Australia.
Yun Australia na ilaw.
Ross Pechardo, nakabakasyon sa Pinas.
Bike camp.
So yun dala niya yung seed composite niya. Si Sep andito din kasama namin. Ayun, nagpe-prep na. Good morning ka-gravel.
Good morning. Shoutout sa anak ko. Sophia.
Daddy Sep.
Shoutout sa anak niya di matulog.
Ito nga pala yung bike ko ngayon. Siyempre isang gear lang, 60 kilometers lang naman tayo eh. Alright, so see you in a while. See you guys sa starting line. Alright. Good luck guys.
Thank you.
Takits mamaya.
Thank you. Good luck sa
Enjoy.
Dapat mga alas 9 nandito na kayo
Please 60k. Ikaw nakauwi ka na, di ba?
Okay, ingat.
Nga tol, salamat.
Okay.
Kasakat mo
Uy. Alright. So I joined the 60 kilometers all bikes category. And dun sa all bikes, so anything that isn't gravel bike or MTB is allowed. Kasabay ng 60 kilometers all bikes category yung open female. That's why in the next few seconds or minutes, mapapansin nyo puro babae yung kasabay namin dun sa release na to. For those of you who do not know me, so hindi ko naman first time sumali sa Attack Unrestricted. This is actually my third time. Well, actually my fourth. So yung third was a DNS, did not start kasi the usual, may mga aberya. Life happens. And dun sa first two times na nag-join ako ng Attack Unrestricted, gravel bike naman yung gamit ko. I used to have a Ritchie Swiss Cross. Kaliwa. Kanan po. Kaliwa po. Kanan po. Thank you. So if you remember on the first clip, I am using a fixed gear bike. So meaning the cogs are turning with the wheel. There's no coasting, and also I don't have brakes on this. Most track bikes or fixed gear bikes can only fit about 28C max. So yung common. But this one that I have can fit up to 40C. It's a frame from the project which they call the Hi-10 version 2, which is capable for tracklocross. So meaning to say, track bike for cyclocross. Well, in this case, gravel siya. But same applies as long as it's not a paved road. At this point, naabutan ko na yung nasa men's 60 km, but then something happened. So my camera dropped. Nasira yung mounting. Woo! 32 km, 1 hour 26. Kaya sub 3. Let's see. Laglag yung camera ko. Otek. Whew. Sayang ang oras. So, medyo malalim yung tusong papunta river crossing. So lakad tayo. Safe lang. Okay, alay lakad muna. Whew. Tiksi pa more. Whew. So prior to this race, wala naman akong proper training to aim for a podium finish. Pero ayun, binigay pa rin natin best effort, naging competitive tayo kahit papaano. With that, naka P1 naman tayo sa All Bikes Age Cut and P6 inclusive of gravel. So that's the rest of the clips. Wala kasi masyadong clips since nasira yung mount ko, and ayun, binilisan ko din dun sa mga magagandang gravel sections. Sa susunod na race ulit, no? So thanks for watching.